This tutorial will show you various methods of off-campus access to library materials. After completing this tutorial, you will be able to access library materials using the library's website, ProxyGU, Google Scholar, and Interlibrary Loan. We will begin on the library's website, which gives us access to all the library's resources. From here, we could go either to research and course guides, or to articles and databases to select a particular database to search. Let's go to research and course guides. When you enter into any library database from off-campus, you will be prompted to log in with your NetID and password. Once you've done that, you will be able to pass through and access everything just as if you were on campus. Another way you can access full text is available from the Off-Campus Access page, which is linked from the library's homepage. This page gives further information about all options for off-campus access, including the ProxyGU bookmarklet. By clicking this bookmarklet and dragging it to my Favorites bar or Bookmarks bar, I can now go directly to a particular website, such as JSTOR, without going through the library's website. The bookmarklet will seamlessly connect you to Georgetown's subscription to the database as if you had gone through the library's website or were already on campus. If you are a heavy Google Scholar user, you can also connect your Google Scholar account to our Georgetown resources. In Google Scholar, from the menu in the upper left-hand corner, select Settings, and from Settings, choose Library Links. From here, we have the option to add in the connecting link to our university. Once we've selected the appropriate link, click Save. Now, when I search in Google Scholar, the link for Find Full Text at G is visible to the right. By clicking that link, I will be brought back into the Georgetown Library system and connected with any full text that the library has. One final resource. If you find a resource that is not available in full text, you can request it through Interlibrary Loan by first clicking Can't Find It on the library's website, and then from there, clicking ILL for main campus patrons. Now log in to Interlibrary Loan with your NetID and password, and once you've logged in, you can place requests for journal articles, scans of book chapters, and other resources, which the library will borrow for you from another library. Interlibrary Loan is a free service, and typically PDF scans will be made available within a few days. This concludes our introduction to off-campus access to library materials. If you need additional research support or have any questions, please email Melissa Jones at melissa.jones@georgetown.edu.